Thank you for joining us for First Shots with the new Mossberg Micro 9 MC2sc. We installed the Crimson Trace 1550 micro red dot on ours with a 3 MOA red dot, so time to take her out and test 0. And these were our first shots taken after installing the red dot, just manually co-witnessing the dot above the sights. We're just a little bit to the left, as you can see by walking up here. Happy with our 0, it's time to move on to transitional target shooting, or Mossberg drills, which is 2 shots to the lower target and 1 to the upper. Mossberg or failure drills are a series of 3 shots, with 2 to the body and 1 to the head. Its intent is to stop a target without failure, even if the body or the target is wearing body armor. Transitional target drills are an excellent way to test your firearm's ability, as well as improve your own ability at hitting targets. Increasing my speed as I became more comfortable with Mossberg, I was quite pleased with its placement. Magazine changes were also quite smooth, easy. From a distance of about 4 yards, I was quite pleased with the Mossberg MC2sc shot placement. Time for a reload with another 2 mags from the same distance. Quite cold in the shade, I was very pleased with Mossberg shot placement. Easy to put on one target, hit it, move on to the next, and hit it with a few more rounds. It felt real natural. I'll reach the first magazine, on to the second. Paper, time for some steel. Back to some paper as fast as you can.